My name is Fisa Marin. I am studying in 6th grade. Today my topic is science project venation in the leaf. The arrangement in the leaves blade is called venation. It is two types of venation: parallel venation and reticulate venation. Parallel venation. The venation are arranged in parallel rows within the leaves. For example, leaf monocot such as grass, wheat, and banana. Reticulate venation. The venation are regularly branches forming a network in the leaf blade of, for example, dicot such as mango and purple. Thank you.